Hi, I'm Katie Ziskind. I own Wisdom Within Counseling in Niantic, Connecticut, and I run a group of holistic, creative marriage and family therapists that are excited to help your child with anxiety or your marriage thrive through conflict and through turmoil, so that no matter what trauma you go through or challenging divorce or loss you've experienced, you can have a holistic, positive coping skill toolbox to take with you into all walks of life. You can read more about us at wisdomwithinct.com. The skill today is a dialectical behavioral therapy skill, or DBT skill. This is a skill to tolerate mood swings, anxiety, when you feel completely not like yourself or confused, or like you're really high one moment and low the next. Or if you've been diagnosed with a borderline personality disorder or post-traumatic stress disorder, these skills can be really effective. These skills help people manage distress, intense emotions like jealousy, anger, frustration, and anxiety, and communicate effectively and calmly. That allows you to be your most authentic, confident self, even when you're challenged by your feelings. This tip is called willingness. Willingness is something that comes from inside of you, no matter what's going on in your environment. So a lot of times life doesn't give you a rose garden. And one of my teachers used to say, life is not always pudding and jello. So life will have a lot of challenging, unpredictable moments. And willingness is a skill that you can use to get through those moments. In order to be willing, you make a conscious choice to be creative and flexible in your thinking, instead of focusing more on all the negative things, complaining, what you can't change, and also sometimes the ego does get in the way. Willingness comes from self-motivation, being in tune with your mind, body, and spirit. And willingness can be a really amazing way to approach life, to approach your relationship, and to approach your career. If something doesn't go as planned at work, instead of being angry, you may feel angry, but communicate how you're feeling by being willing to be flexible and try something a new way. Remember, there are more ways than just one single right way to do something. So you can take willingness into many different relationships to build authenticity. So I'm Katie Ziskind, the practice owner of Wisdom Within Counseling. I run a group practice specialized in using creative art, yoga therapy, poses, meditation for confidence and relaxation, painting and clay, as well as outdoor walk and talk therapies and play therapies. Some of our specialties also include eating disorders, anorexia and bulimia, self-harm, cutting and self-injury in teenagers and adolescents. Also LGBTQIA+, so working with bisexual, gay, transgender, gender questioning, non-binary, and same-sex people and couples. Also, we specialize with anxious children, high energy children that have ADHD, depressed teenagers, young adults who are coming out as bisexual or gay and needing support around getting over an unhealthy past relationship. And we also work with high conflict couples who have a foundation of friendship and have lost the spice, the playfulness, and laughter they once shared in their marriage. So if you know someone that really needs self-esteem and self-love skills, and would like someone to talk to improve communication and learn DBT skills and holistic coping skills for positive, meaningful connections, share our information. We would love to talk on the phone for 30 minutes for free. Totally free. We talk, love to hear about what's going on for you, all the things you've tried, what's not working, and we'll get clear on some goals for counseling. From there, on that phone call, you can work with myself, or Emily or I will place you with one of our amazing therapists based on the best fit specialty for your goals. And then from there, you'll have an intake session with your therapist. Or if you're a parent, you'll have a parent-only intake session. And then from there, we will work individually with your teenager to help them develop skills for expressing anger and anxiety and communicating their needs and wants beyond just yelling and anger or self-harm. And we also would love to incorporate some really unique things to help your child, teen, or your marriage thrive. So couples yoga, painting, meditation, helping a child through outdoor play therapy, pick flowers and identify caterpillar or look at the butterfly outside, and gain these coping skills in a natural, healthy, fun environment. So we step outside the box in terms of creating meaningful connections and rekindling playfulness through creative, holistic options. You can book a phone consultation at wisdomwithinct.com. That's wisdomwithinct.com. We offer telehealth to any worldwide location, so if you're in India or if you're in Connecticut, we can support you through online video sessions. We also offer telehealth to patients and clients in the state of Florida. So if you are in a high conflict marriage, or if you're a young adult emerging in college and feeling anxiety about this summer and stress about dating and pressure to drink alcohol, just wanting a sense of belonging, having a therapy session can give you that foundation of confidence and relaxation and skills to take into those different experiences. So you can book your phone consult at wisdomwithinct.com. And I hope you enjoyed this DBT skill for managing distress in a healthy way. And I hope you can use willingness, be willing, and choose. Say, I am willing to try something new today. I'm Katie Ziskind, the owner of Wisdom Within Counseling, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.